On our way to pick up the client right now. We are at the 4th apartment. So it's 4 o'clock, barely eating lunch right now. Look how big these are. Motherfucker, I am the culture. All right, today we're gonna look at a bunch of properties. We're on our way to pick up the client right now. I want you guys to join along to see a day in the life in a Medellin real estate agent. Let's go. I was born here, I'm 100% Colombian. This is our assistant, Manuela. At the Orange County Fair of all places was Baby King, and I was literally like front row. ¿Cómo estás? Gusto. ¿Podemos grabar el apartamento? Okay, gracias. Yeah, one of the things that a lot of people don't know is that you don't get many views in Laureles, but here we have somewhat of a view. You look into this building. Oh wow, yeah.
So what direction are we looking at?
Yeah, west. Yeah, the sun will set over these mountains, which will be kind of cool at night, huh? Here.
But it's 7, right? 7 is down there. This is 8.
Yeah.
This is 8.
What they call here a duplex.
Yep. Duplex. I wonder duplex penthouse. I mean, if you had a dog, that would be one apartment. You could actually have a pet.
You could definitely have a pet there. Yeah. All right, we are at apartment number 5 in the neighborhood of Castropol. Let's go check this one out. This is the port now. Okay, he doesn't count it because it's kind of like getting back to this one area.
El espacio. ¿Y la galería?
Oh, that's the one.
Okay. See, I know that's the first one. Yes. I was thinking just that.
Then we had the water bottle fiasco. We
didn't wait for it. Watergate. They didn't slow us down.
All right, we are at our 6th apartment. This is our last one with these clients. After that, we're going to do something else. We're going to go maybe get lunch, and then I have to get back to the office. So let's go take a look at this one, kind of do a recap, and continue our day. Let's go. So this last one has some pros and cons. The pros are obviously the fact that it does have a terrace. It's got the high ceilings up here on the 2nd floor. The elevator doesn't come exactly to the floor, which if you don't like the stairs, obviously that would be it. But other than that, I think this would be the perfect place because of the location. I mean, we're right near Provenza. So if you wanted to rent this out, it would rent out easily. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, we're here having lunch. It's a late lunch because it is, what time is it right now?
Son las 4 de la tarde.
Okay, so it's 4 o'clock and we're barely eating lunch right now. But we're at this little tiendita. A tiendita means a little store. It's like a corner shop that's turned into a little mini bar where people come out here and have drinks, or they have food. And look at this food right here. This is meatballs with tomato sauce and Parmesan cheese. This was some sort of appetizer with like shrimp in it or something. I don't even know, but it's really good. We're gonna eat the rest of our lunch here, and then we're gonna head back to the office. We'll catch you then. All right, we just finished lunch. It was about $20 for 3 of us, and we had 3 beers. Manuela, you had a beer, right?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. I left my car over here in this parking lot. The great thing about parking lots here is that most of them are car washes. So I'm getting my car washed over here. I didn't even ask the price because it's usually negligible. So we're gonna ask how much it was, get out of here and go back to the office. Okay, te pagó la lavada.
¿Cuánto es ya esa? La 9.92, ¿cuánto es? 49.
40, okay. All right, so it was 49,000 pesos, which is about $12.50, I believe. Car wash. Let's see how nice the car wash is, though, first. All right, so I obviously have to give this guy a tip, usually probably like $2 or $3, about 10,000 pesos or so. A lot of people say, oh, don't tip. It's not a tipping culture. Don't change the culture. Motherfucker, I am the culture. They did a really good job. It looks nice on the outside, for sure. There's Manuela. How is it? Is it nice? It definitely smells good in here. All right, they did a good job. They deserve a tip. We are here at my apartment in the parking structure. We've got to grab the shirts that we made for the team because it looks like our client might be making an offer on one of these properties, and I got to give them some numbers. So let's go put these away, hit this up here, and then get back down. I'm gonna go hit the gym for about an hour, then I'm gonna finish off work, then maybe play some video games tonight while I sip on some whiskey or have a beer. Usually end off the night and do it all over again tomorrow. Look at this view though. Love it, man. Love this apartment complex that I live in. By the way, guys, if you like this shirt right here, Medellin Vibes, we made them ourselves, and all of the proceeds, if you buy one of these, will go to Help Colombia, which is a charity that helps kids learn English in the impoverished neighborhood of Moravia in Medellin, Colombia. So if you want one, just type in t-shirts in the comment section below and I'll send you a link. All right, we are almost done with our day, but not quite. Finished the gym, took a shower, got dressed, grabbed my backpack and my computer. I usually end off my day finishing off work at home at the desk, and then I'll play some Fortnite and then go to bed, maybe watch something before bed or whatever. But there's a little whiskey bar across the street from my apartment building. It's raining, so I gotta hurry. The cool thing about it is that they've got imported whiskeys from all over the world. And it is Saturday, so I'm gonna have myself a couple drinks, finish off the emails that I gotta send, then get back home. Hey, those were some viewers. If you ever catch me on the street, say hi. I'm super approachable. I love to meet new people. But this is the little whiskey bar over here. Oh my gosh, it's coming down now. So right there, look at that. Let's go check out the boutique. Love these little tienditas right here. Let's buenas, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿cómo vas? We're just gonna spot up over here, make sure the rain doesn't hit us. I think we're good though. Get some work done and finish off our day, guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe the button if you're not already subscribed, share it with your friends. If you're coming down to Medellin and you want to buy a property, make sure to hit me up by clicking the link in the description below, filling out the form, and somebody on my team will get back to you, and we'll do something like this on a Saturday. Look at this. Have some whiskey, get some work done, buy some properties, and live life to the fullest. All right, so finished work and had a couple drinks. Now I'm gonna head downstairs because there's a little market here. I actually need to buy Head and Shoulders here, so let's check it out. Let's see. Do they sell any Head and Shoulders here? Oh, Mendes shampoo. Okay, ese. Okay, Head and Shoulders. I think I need to get some beer as well. We'll get some poker beer. There we go. And I think I need some bananas, actually. This is what I love about living in this neighborhood, is that you have these little corner shops and you can actually buy anything that you need for the rest of the day. Oh my gosh, look how big these are. Oh yeah, this one's ready to go. Love this. I think we're all set. Now you know what a day in the life of a real estate agent that caters to expats or immigrants that are coming to Colombia to buy property. I'm back in my office. I've got Fortnite loaded up on the computer. My friends are waiting for me to get on and play with them. I got myself my beer. I'm gonna wind down and do it all over again tomorrow. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of video, because you may not know this, but I actually own a few businesses. I do digital marketing for clients in the United States. I bought my own apartments here and I have them on Airbnb, so we run that as well. And we started a small property management company that caters to those clients that are buying properties that just don't want to live here and want to rent it out. Furthermore, we have the charity Help Colombia. And above all, I'm a father, so I can do many day in the life type videos living in Medellin, Colombia. I had a lot of fun making this video today. Shout out to the clients and to Manuela and the rest of the team for helping me, and big shout out to you guys for supporting. See you guys in the next video.